It drives insane, sounds insane. I don't even know, but I'm super excited to show you guys what I did to it. And stay tuned.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Sis got blah boy, sis got blah boy. Sis got blah boy, sis got blah boy. Yeah. 901 Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they...
I'm currently driving right now to VPS, which is the shop nearby. They work on some pretty fast Camaros, so I'm putting my trust in them. I'm on E because I don't know what gas he wants to use the car in, whether it's 93 or he puts it on E85 or whatever he wants to do, you know. Every tuner is different or has a different process. So yeah, I'm on the way to him right now. And so far of me putting on like the manifold and the throttle body and like everything, no problem whatsoever. I know I don't have a tune, obviously I haven't stepped on it, but it's driving pretty normal. Sometimes at first it's a little hesitant because it's too much air coming in, but nothing happens. It just goes back to normal, like if it was stock, you know. I got the headers in the trunk, I got the thumbs with the clamps ready to be put on the car, and that's what I'm about to do, and hopefully it goes well.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow bound, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking I'm not the same, man, and I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking.
Pretty decent without tranny tune. Dog, this sounds insane. It was too loud and my parents were about to get home. I didn't want to pull up as they're like entering. They would have heard the car, they would have freaked out. So I'm gonna start up the car. X-band. All right, wait. K-band. I'm gonna start up the car and just put it in drive and leave because my parents are gonna freak out. So but fuck, bro. Okay, and we leave. Fuck, bro. Oh my god, bro. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. Bro, I'm so cooked, bro. Oh my god, bro. Nah, bro. I'm not even gonna, there's a baby there. I'm not even gonna go that way. Oh my god. She's looking over here, bro. Oh my god. Oh god. Bro, I'll probably get hate for just putting it on drive, but like my parents are crazy. Boys' crib, and then from there we're gonna head out. I'm about to wake this guy, his whole family up. Oh. This is the M4 from the other videos, my boy Michael. It's 2025, X-Drive's just nasty. And they got the G-Wagon. Damn. That's crazy, bro.
No, you can turn it on.
Okay.
No, you're calling on the phone with my sister.
Oh, okay. Alright, we're out?
Yeah, let's go to get some 85 though.
Sniper's Creek?
Yeah.
Let's go.
You got a little hair in. No gay shit, bro.
I wanna fuck you in that.
Yeah, that was Riz, yeah.
Rizzing me up,
yeah,
man. What the fuck? Rizzy Skibbity Toilet?
Yeah, here comes the rooster.
This thing is loud too.
Yeah, it's super, yeah.
But not as loud as this.
Yeah, I don't know what they're probably sleeping too.
What's that noise? Oh,
That was him. What the heck was that? Yo,
I still got this hoodie. It's cold as shit.
it's super cold. What do you think about it? You like it? It doesn't pop, but it's like rah, rah. Yeah, yeah. Oh, okay, bro. But every time I step on it a little, it spins. Every time I step.
Everyone fell asleep. Andy was supposed to come. Edgar was gonna come. He woke up and everything, but his girl bitched at him or something.
Bruh.
And then Natick, I think, is going later. And Chris, I think, fell asleep.
Alright. Sounds nice. That one, it's super beautiful.
Thanks, bro.
Wow. I'm John.
Nice to meet you, bro, Mel.
Wow. What year?
87.
87.
One owner.
You?
Actually, no. My car, and I bought it up for him.
Oh, okay. Okay, I was about to say. Dang, dude. Wow.
Southwest tone.
Super clean. Porsche is beautiful.
I like the brakes.
He said it was his favorite car.
Yeah, oh, mine too.
Yeah, I see why.
Tell me what's the price to pay the motherfucking preacher? I was watching from a distance, sitting on the bleachers. All them boys who hate me now is really non-believers. From serving white and Molly caps on stage with Mr. Bieber. When I stand in black, I do 360, kinda fever hurt. You ain't had a crystal shot, you know that she's a heater. Okay, like to treat you, baby, I can be your teacher. They poppin' hoops, sippin' drink, yeah, down the feeder. Don't nobody get high no more. Pop codeine, I'm Hollywood. This shit colossal, Geronimo. Pick up my D, need money more.
$5.